In John 17:21, Jesus said, I and them, and you and me, that's the Father, that they may be made perfect in one, and that the world may know that you have sent me and have loved them as you have loved me. Jesus said there needs to be a unity. We need to be like Christ. And that's the salt that the world desperately needs right now. 1 John 2:6, the one who says that he abides in him ought to himself walk in the same manner as he walked. We've got to be that. We need to become that person. How do we become that person? What does that salt start to look like? That person that mourns, that person that's always hungering for righteousness, that person that's pure, that's always the persecutor, the persecuted and the peacemaker. This is the blessed, the beatitude. We need to become these beatitude people that Jesus is now releasing on the earth. You are the salt. This is the substance. Salt permeates everything. Salt is everywhere. It's underneath the ground. It's in the ocean. If it wasn't in our body, we would die.